Put your hands behind your back. Back.
I ain't touching you, right?
Bro, I can't breathe.
Back.
I can't breathe. Get your hands behind your back. I'm not breathing. I can't breathe. Listen to me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please, I'm trying to breathe.
The 6th of May, 2025. Law enforcement encounter in La Crosse, Wisconsin, involving the execution of felony warrants on the subject identified as Lindsay.
I gotta talk to this gentleman here. Lindsay? Who? Lindsay, stay here.
Oh, no,
stay here.
No. Please don't touch me.
No, you've got a warrant.
No, don't let him touch me, bro.
Lindsay, you've got a warrant.
No, I don't.
7682, step it up.
Hey, help me, bro.
You've got a warrant, you're under arrest.
I'm telling you, I'm not Lindsay, sir. I'm not Lindsay. No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not Lindsay.
Yes, you are. Put your hands
I'm
behind your back.
not Lindsay.
Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I'm not Lindsay. I'm trying to tell you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, let me get up, please.
No, get on the ground.
I'm trying to. Please, let me. Sir, don't do nothing that's free. I'm trying to.
Put your hands. No, get on the ground. You're under arrest.
Okay, let me get
On the ground. You're under arrest.
You don't have to do all of this. Please, help me.
Behind your back.
Help me, bro. Please.
You're under arrest,
Help me.
dude.
I can't
Stop.
breathe. I can't breathe, sir. Please.
Bro, he can't.
He's got
health issues.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got health issues, bro.
Okay,
Please,
you
let me
can
get up.
put your hands behind your back right here. Right here.
Let me stand up. I can't breathe. You're telling me, sir.
Okay, stand up and you're going to put your hands behind your back.
First, sir, please. Let me get up and sit down.
Hands behind, no, put your hands behind your back right now.
I'm trying to get to this to sit down.
No,
You're choking me, sir.
you're not going anywhere.
You're choking me.
Put your hands behind your back right
I
now.
can't breathe. I'm trying to. I'm trying to work with you, sir.
No, you're not.
Let me catch my
Listen.
breath, sir. Why are you
You
not
need to
letting
put
me
your
catch my
hands behind your
breath?
back.
I'm trying to. Let me catch
No,
my
you're not going to go inside the house.
What do you know?
Stay here.
I'm not doing this. Why are you pulling on me like this?
Because you have a warrant and you're not cooperative and you're resisting.
I am being corrupt. Just let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you
Stop.
What?
You need to stop.
You doing all of this for what?
Put your hands behind your back. Back.
I ain't touching you, bro. I can't breathe.
Back. Get
I
back.
can't breathe.
Get your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
You are
I'm not please.
Don't
I can't
stop
breathe.
resisting.
Listen to me. I can't breathe.
Hey,
Please, I'm trying to let me go. Please, man. I'm peeing on myself.
grabbing her.
I'm not grabbing. Look, I'm pitching on myself.
Dude, stop. You are under arrest. You're going to jail. Stop resisting now. Stop resisting.
I'm trying to catch my breath.
Hands behind your back right
Sir,
now.
I'm trying to catch my breath. Please. Let me catch my breath.
Put your hands behind your back right now.
Sir, can I
Put your hands behind
I'm
your
trying
back.
to get up. Please listen to me.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
You're going to get tased. Stop resisting.
Will y'all please listen to
You
me?
need to listen to us.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I'm trying to catch my breath.
Okay, we'll let you.
We'll let you, but you need to go in handcuffs.
We will let you.
Listen.
You gotta.
Can y'all please listen?
We will.
Listen, ma'am.
We need to get you in
I'm just
custody right now.
I'm just trying to get out, please.
No, he's trying to get back in the house.
It's a chair right there. I'm trying to... Sir, listen.
No, you're going to be in handcuffs right now.
Sir, please
Stop.
Stop resisting.
No, he's putting the cover. I'm not resisting.
Okay, other hand behind your back.
No, please get out. He's killing me. Bro, did you see all of this?
I know, bro. Just chill, bro.
Did you see all of this? You can see what he's doing to me.
You can get this hand
I'm not
back
even
here.
doing nothing. This is him.
Ready?
Yeah. He's killing me, please.
Stop. Put your
I'm
hands
not doing
behind your
nothing.
back. So put your hand behind your back.
That's him.
Put your hand
I'm
behind your
trying to
back.
catch my breath first.
No, you're pulling your arm away.
Relax.
Please stop. You do all of this.
Okay,
I think the sucker's in the way. Just pull the sucker up.
Please sit right there right there.
just no. Just wait.
No.
Right on that curb, right there.
No, I can't sit there. Look. Sir, they're trying
We're
to...
going to that chair out there. You're not going by the house.
Sir, it's a chair. Can you move that right there so I can sit down?
He's pulling it over.
Let's go to the chair right here. You can sit down.
That's it. We'll get an ambulance to check it out. Sit down here.
You beat the out of me in front of these kids and everybody.
Sit down, man.
He just beat me up.
Lindsay,
No, I'm not. He just beat me up, Travis. He just beat me up. He just did me. He just beat me up. Look what he did to me.
Sit down.
This officer right here.
Yeah, because you're not listening. You're resisting.
No, I
You
wasn't.
denied being Lindsay.
And I was trying to sit down.
Okay, sit down.
You beat me, bro.
Sit down. This
You
could have been a lot
just beat me
easier.
up,
Sit
bro.
down.
Hey, sit.
You wanted to sit.
I'm
Sit down.
trying to. Can you please keep your hands off of me, sir? Please,
just
I'm
need you
trying
to sit.
to. I'm trying to. Can y'all please back him away from me?
What's your first
He
name?
just beat me up, bro.
Lindsay? Okay.
It's okay, Lindsay. Listen
No,
to
it's
me.
not.
Mom,
He just beat me up.
listen to me.
Hey, all you guys go to the front.
I need to ambulance. I
We
can't
all
breathe. I can't breathe. Can I get some water at least? Don't touch me, sir. I'm scared of you.
I'm just trying to make
I don't want you to go with that. Please don't attack me no more, sir. Please don't hit. I'm not resisting. I'm not doing nothing. I just want to sit here and get some air. I'm trying to, but I'm scared. I'm scared he's going to attack me again. He beat the piss out of me for no reason.
No, you have warrants. I told you that.
No.
You're under arrest. You resisted. Nobody struck
I hope
you.
you got
Nobody
your
hit you.
body cam. Yes, you do.
So right now you're under arrest. You got a warrant out of Milwaukee County. You've got a warrant out of La Crosse County.
Just let me go. I just want to sit down and catch my breath.
No,
Like,
you were trying to go back in the house.
no, I was not. I
Yes, you
never
were.
was even in the
Okay.
house. Your body cam go, no, you gonna go to jail too. I'm pressing charges.
You get him a glass of water or something like that.
I can get him across the water.
If you live here.
Yeah, I live right here.
Okay, all right.
He just beat me up, man. What's his badge number? Is it? Hey,
Just three.
get his, right now his badge number and everything, please.
It'll be on your paperwork.
We have an ambulance coming to check you out, okay?
That hurt.
Are you good?
Hey, Lindsay, please help me. Keep him away from me, please.
Where's that at?
Left pocket, sweatshirt pocket.
Okay.
What?
Thanks, man.
Here's some water for you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, please. Keep me up like that. I can't believe it.
Do you want your shorts back on, Lindsay?
Sir, can you please stay away from me, sir? Please.
Your decisions
I don't-
and actions drove this.
I
Okay.
don't know
I hope you're not hurt.
Your body
Okay,
cam
but
will
when you
show that
resisted
you
lying
attacked.
about your name.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
You just tried to. You just literally tried to me
No, I
by
didn't.
yourself.
He wasn't trying to.
Yes, he was.
I promise
He
you.
didn't do no legal grounds or nothing. It was all offense, no nothing. I'm
more
pressing
water?
charges, yes, please.
That's fine. We'll give you paperwork to file a complaint.
I don't need your paperwork, sir.
Okay.
I know how to file a complaint.
Alrighty.
You hit my head against that rock, you can't say you didn't do that. Even the little kid said, why you just do me like that?
Where are you all hurt? What all hurts?
Like you said, bro.
I do, because we're going to get an ambulance to
you
check you
don't.
out. Could have been very simple.
You just did it. You just did it. So you
This
saw
could have been
what
very
you
simple. You
just
could have
heard
said, yeah, I'm Lindsay. I would have said, you got a warrant. We're going to check on it. It would have put you in handcuffs. None of this would have happened, okay? You created the
all it is.
circumstances
You
here.
did all it is. And I'm telling you, please stop in front of these kids. All I'm gonna do is get to that little brown thing
All right.
to sit down
Let's
and
just not,
catch my breath.
let's not talk about your actions in this.
We're not talking about my actions. We're talking about your actions.
And
sir.
what I'm saying is your actions created this
No,
situation.
your actions created this
Okay.
situation.
Besides your knee and your foot, what all hurts?
You know what you did. You rammed my head into that brick. You know what the f you did, bro. Ain't no body cam gonna show it.
Okay.
So I hope it was
Besides that, your head hurt?
my head, my arm.
Okay.
You need me in my growings. Like,
Your what now?
you need me in my testicles. You need me in my area.
If that happened, it was unintentional.
Yes, it was. You know what you was doing when you assaulted me. Hey, can you please write down y'all phone numbers and stuff for
I
me?
think it's that one.
No, 25 right here.
You want my phone number?
Yes. Meet me up in front of them kids, bro. Like, what type of person is you, bro? You know I wasn't even resisting it. I'm telling you I got breathing problems. Everybody's telling you that. And I'm just trying to get right there to sit down. And you want to go grab and try to slap me. And then it slams me. After I'm telling you I'm not resisting. I'm even giving you my hand. I reached out my hand so you could grab it. And I'm telling you I'm finna just sit down and catch my breath. But you still want to try to attack. And then you gonna ram my head into that brick? Like, what was you thinking? Like, okay, yeah, I'm big, but I did not put up no fight or nothing against you. If I wanted to, I would have got away if I wanted to fight with you.
You want some more water before the fire department checks you out?
Like, I ain't want no fight. Like,
Get some medical attention
you just
now.
attacked and beat me up like that. I can't believe you, bro. Like, in front of kids, bro. That's why I ain't do nothing. I'm compliant with you, bro. You literally beat me until I pissed and came out my clothes. Man, everything, your body cam gonna show it, bro.
Yep, Sergeant Fuller
I
got it.
hope you do some good editing.
So this is Lindsay. He's got an FTA out of La Crosse for possession with intent heroin. He's got an FTA out of Milwaukee for, I think, new charges potentially. Heroin with intent, use of a dangerous weapon, firearm by a felon.
Yep.
I go,
ton of warrants.
I've stopped by, I actually saw him earlier, I recognized him. He's over there seated. I recognized him, I couldn't remember his name. I ran it, so I drove by, he was sitting out here. Earlier the kid was with a bunch of kids. Like, the gentleman in the blue sweatshirt was standing like near the tree. I walked up, I was like, hey Mason, blue guy's already kind of running interference, like trying to head me off. I was like, hey Lindsay. No, I'm not. Hold on. He starts pulling away and he goes like this. Kind of grabs onto the back of the guy, like blue sweatshirt. Said, "You got a warrant. You're under arrest. Just relax."
He grabbed the guy in the blue sweatshirt.
Yeah, he's like using him to like shield him from me. I hold on to his left arm. He's trying to pull away from me.
he's trying to get back inside the house. He kept pulling up towards the house, so we ended up knocking over like the grill that's there. I tried to take him down a couple times and he's so big I couldn't get a hold on him. He was able to post up right away because he's so big, so I'm like trying to ride him. I didn't strike him or anything. He's saying I banged his head off the rocks. It could have happened. I was simply trying to control him and prevent him from going into the house. Meanwhile, blue sweatshirt, I think there's one other guy who was walking around really close proximity. So I was just trying to keep him out here. They started pulling up. I ended up kind of decentralizing him over where that green flower pot is and just trying to hold on to him. And he's like,
That green flower pot on the steps?
yeah, this one that's sitting over.
Can you breathe better now, though? No. Well, they're here to check you out, okay?
I can't believe it. Oh, still, like,
Well, we put 2 sets of handcuffs on you.
I know y'all did. Like, and I apologize that all this happened. Like, I wasn't resisting. Like, I just want to get right there to that brown thing and sit out like I was telling y'all.
Well, Officer Armour's a pretty reasonable guy if you would have just talked to him.
That's what I was trying to do. Like, we tried to. Like, I wasn't just.
So he got cut up pretty good. He's complaining of not being able to breathe very well, head pain. And
My head got rammed into that brick right there.
That's okay.
Intentionally, not unintentionally.
what else is hurt?
My arm.
Want to grab the trauma bag too?
Y'all write down their number and did they write down their number?
What happened? He was just taken down, or what? How did he?
It was
Well,
the whole,
his foot, I think he stepped on glass, and yeah, he got
This is what happened. We were standing on the corner. He went past, come back around, trying to question, and I tell him like, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not breaking the law, so I don't have to talk to you. So if you want to talk to me, we should come right here and sit down and talk.
Kind of got him down on his hands and knees, facing like towards the house, and he's saying like I banged his head off the rocks, I kneed him in the groin, I beat him. I didn't strike him or anything. I was simply trying to control him. He's like, I was just telling you I wanted to sit. I had breathing problems. Like he was pulling away, resistant the entire time, denied who he was. And then the woman walks over, she's like, hey, Lindsay. So I knew who he was. So he's probably going to want to talk to you, but he's claiming I just absolutely walloped him. I didn't strike him once.
Is this the guy in the blue sweatshirt that was involved?
Yeah.
Was he kind of like thrust into it? Was he obstructing?
No, he didn't really, like once he kind of got away from him grabbing onto the back of him, he was like close, but he didn't grab me or try to help him or anything like that. But he was like, he's not Lindsay. He's not Lindsay.
You haven't ID'd him or anything, have you?
No. I'll have somebody else transport him and do all that because he's just not a fan of me.
Yeah, we'll have to have
He got a little bit of weed on him too.
Two people go with him.
I got like a bunch of his spit straight in my mouth.
Do you have the number?
414.
Hold on.
I don't think it was intentional, but
Hold on.
Yeah, he was kind of just spitting, but he kept trying to like grab onto it. Me and you too.
The Fourth Amendment authorizes a seizure when based on valid judicial warrants, which represent a predetermined finding of probable cause by a neutral magistrate. Under United States v. Santana, 1976, a suspect cannot defeat a lawful arrest initiated in a public place by retreating into a private residence to claim threshold protection. Graham v. Connor, 1989, establishes the objective reasonableness standard, requiring analysis of the severity of the crime, the threat level, and active resistance. The underlying felony charges, possession with intent and firearm violations, significantly elevate the severity prong of the Graham analysis, justifying a higher degree of control. Wisconsin Statute Section 946.41 defines resisting as the use of physical force or the threat of force to oppose an officer acting in an official capacity with lawful authority. Physical pull-away movements and the use of bystanders as human shields constitute active resistance, escalating the lawful force options available to the officer. The doctrine of proximate causes applies to injuries sustained during the struggle. Injuries resulting from the subject's resistance are generally not attributed to officer misconduct. WI Statute Section 940.202 addresses battery to law enforcement officers, including incidents where a defendant's resistance leads to bodily harm of an official. The bail jumping charges under WI Statute Section 946.49 highlight a secondary criminal violation regarding the breach of court-ordered release conditions.
Floaters and injuries. He said his head hurt, his arms hurt, some scrapes. I think I'm good. Just simply trying to control him.
Did anybody get hurt or just me? I apologize.
I think you might have spit on.
No, I never spit.
Not on.
No,
I don't think you
never
were
ever
doing it intentionally, but.
Where's your head hurt?
Didn't answer.
On my forehead.
Forehead?
Lindsay, she didn't answer, but I'll keep trying, okay?
Okay, and then can you make sure you get his information because he literally beat me out here in front of these kids for
Yes.
no reason.
Yes. I'll make sure. Okay. You're okay, and I'll be okay. Okay.
You want some water?
Yeah, this toe is pretty bad, and I'm not
Ready?
gonna go like.
Let me know if you need more.
I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy, bro.
Watch your feet too on that glass.
He's saying I need him in the groin. He's saying I was beating on him. He's saying I slammed his head off a rock. I didn't strike him at all. If there was any, if he did his off a rock or anything, it was completely unintentional because of how he was resisting.
You see, was on the whole time.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah,
From the moment I walked up.
all right. Perfect. Yeah, just so you're good though.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's my arm, my neck.
Just gonna feel around a little bit, okay?
Come on, please don't push it.
Okay.
On this side over here, my right side.
This side.
Please don't push that hard.
Okay, I won't follow.
Despite Lindsay's version of events, the outstanding warrants and the officer's accounts make it clear that the outcome is pretty much set.
You gonna be cool with us when we get you in soft restraints, man?
I ain't like that, bro. I was just trying to sit down to catch some air to breathe, bro.
You just gotta listen.
He
to
just
us,
whooped
right?
my ass, bro. I ain't.
I can tell you it's at least 300.
Dude just did all this shit for $300. He just beat the out
Well,
of me
I don't know
for
what your warrant,
$300.
I don't know what the bail on your warrant is or the bond.
If he just beat me up like that for $300,
That's an additional charge. I don't know what your warrant says.
I didn't even know I had one.
Did you get your body worn camera on by chance?
Yeah, turned it on as soon as I got out of the car. So I looked down like mid kind of struggle and it was on. So
Perfect.
yeah, I'm like 99% sure it was on. Heroin with or coke with intent, heroin with intent, FDA warrant here for heroin with intent, and I think there's more charges out of Milwaukee.
Lesson learned. Tactical positioning must account for environmental hazards, as accidental injury during a struggle often leads to complex civil liability claims. Lesson learned. Early notification of arrest and clear verbal commands are critical for establishing the legal foundation for a resisting charge in subsequent litigation. Legal precedent. The transition from a public sidewalk to a private yard does not terminate the hot pursuit status of an officer executing a felony warrant. Procedural note. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. Warnings are required only during custodial interrogation, not during the initial physical struggle or the booking notification. Evidentiary note. Body-worn camera footage serves as the primary rebuttal to claims of intentional strikes when physical injuries are actually environmentally induced. Policy insight. The use of double handcuffing for larger subjects is a recognized safety accommodation that mitigates potential claims of deliberate indifference to physical pain. Case outcome. The subject entered a no-contest plea to charges of resisting an officer causing injury and bail jumping, confirming the lawfulness of the officer's actions. Final disposition. Sentencing was finalized on the 24th of March 2026, marking the legal resolution of the May 2025 encounter.